welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Okay, so today we are going to get things done in my home. I hope that you guys get motivated, get something done in your home, and let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and update this. I feel bored with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and change it.
Cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Let me feel your love again. Cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name.
Let me feel your love again. Cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us and we can stay up all night. Kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do. Staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head.
I got this rug from Walmart, my Texas house. It's pretty. I love it so much. And then this one is also from my Texas house.
Time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us.
Okay, here is the final look. I think it looks so cute. Okay, so the urn is from Target and the rugs are both from Walmart, and that wreath is from Michael's. Okay, so we got a new trash can. I'm pretty excited. It's white stainless steel, so it'll match our kitchen. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the box and put it where we keep our trash.
We could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do. Staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your
So I got these things. They're cord organizers because my cords are too long and then they just like cause me to have a headache. So I got these. Someone in my comments actually told me about them and I couldn't figure out what it was, and finally I seen it on Instagram and I ordered it.
Be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like a...
Okay, so I just picked this up from Target. My husband's not always home to grill, so I figured we could try it. I'm gonna go ahead and open it and see how this works. Our dinner relies on this.
Wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. My
find something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do.
Alrighty guys, you know that I love to give you guys quotes or songs or Bible verses or whatever it is to inspire you guys just a little bit, especially things that have blessed me. But today it is the book by Joyce Meyer called Battlefield of the Mind. Guys, if you've never read it, I recommend it so much. I just started reading it, so I'm like, in the beginning chapters, but I'm loving it and it's doing me so well. My sister has been telling me to read this book for years, and I was always like, yeah, I'm going to do it. And finally, I was like, you know what? I'm going to read it. And I started today, and it's so amazing. I love it so much. One thing that really stood out to me was she said, it's actually a verse in the Bible, and I can look it up and I'll add it to the screen if I find it. But it's basically saying, whatever you are thinking is what will be. And we have to acknowledge and realize that our minds are so powerful. Whatever you think is going to actually come to be. So make sure you check your thoughts, you check your mind, because that's what I've been needing. And I'm so happy and feel blessed that God has given me this message because I needed it, desperately needed it. So I encourage you to read the book and let me know if you've already read it in the comments down below so that I can know that you read it. And tell me, what was your favorite part? What did you learn? How did it bless you?
Should have been you. I could be driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you. It should have been you. I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Ooh, it should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel at home. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't. I got this picture in my closet. It's gathering dust right now, and the edges have been folded once or twice. It doesn't look the same no more, 'cause the sun has made it pale. I used to have it hanging on my wall some time ago. A picture of you, 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 a picture of you. stay up all night. And when morning came, we'd make breakfast in bed. I don't know why I threw away what we had. What's wrong with me? I don't know why I threw it all away.
Okay, so I have all these markers and stuff that I want to organize on here. I also have this mess that I have in my drawers, so I want to go ahead and organize all of this. I have 100 other things I should be doing, but I'm going to choose to do this instead. That's just how I am. So anyways, let's go ahead and separate everything and see what we have.
Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away.
Alright, I think I'm gonna put everything by colors instead of keeping like markers with markers. I think that's what I'm gonna do, but we'll see. So for now, I'm gonna separate colors.
Our bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. So let us dance this night away.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your
that is it for today's video. I'm completely exhausted. It's 9:40. The kitchen is clean. My living room, I just washed the pillowcases, so I need to put them back on, but I'll probably just do that tomorrow morning because I'm very exhausted. I'm going to get a big cup of water, get in my pajamas, and go to sleep. So I hope that you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time that I post. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.